Hello everyone. We are here to do the experiment of diode as a switch. So here we have a DC power supply and I have used only its fixed voltage. It has fixed voltage at 2.5 volt, 3.3 volt and it has 5 volts. So I have set it to the 5 volts. Now we will make the circuit of diode. As we know, diode is a device which can operate in a forward bias and it will not work in the reverse bias. And diode is used to rectify the circuit, as we also know about the half wave and full wave rectifiers. It is basically used to convert the AC voltages or currents into a DC voltage or current. So I am going to show you diode as a switch. Switch means diode will work only in the forward bias and it will not work in the reverse bias. So I have only make a simple circuit by using a LED. We have a LED and then we have a resistor and and this is our diode. It has a silver line. It has a silver line which shows that this side is N type and this side is P type. So now we will make a circuit. No, this is. So I am going to connect diode in the forward bias. So I have a resistor. The resistor value is not important here. And I have connected resistor in series in the P type side. And now I am going to connect the LED. LED I have used it has two terminals. One is larger and other is smaller. Larger terminal is for the positive and smaller terminal is for the negative power supply. So I have connected here positive and now I am going to connect the negative here. And now I will give the fixed DC power supply by using this. So it is in the forward bias direction. So I will connect the positive power supply to the P side of the diode and I will connect negative to the negative of the diode. It's not working. X. Now we will connect the DC power supply which is equal to 5 volt and now our LED is glowing. Our LED is now glowing and now I am going to reverse the diode, then we will check it will work or not. So let's see. So this is diode and now I am going to reverse the direction of the diode. Now you see, now it is not working. Now I am again going to reverse the direction of the diode in forward bias and we will see our LED will glow. रहने दो मैम, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, 5 वोल्ट्स ही है. diode is again glowing. So we have seen diode as a switch because it will work only in forward bias direction and it will not work in reverse bias direction. So we can conclude that we can use diode as a switching device in our electronic circuits. Okay, thank you.